Introducing the new Strata 12V Cordless Tungsten Grinder. Very portable machine, very handy if you're a TIG welder on the go. For sharpening your tungstens, we have 5 different tungsten sizes through the 1mm all the way through to 3.2mm. Then we have 5 different angles. Angles are 10 degrees through to 25 degrees. We have an encapsulation system here where the grinding dust will fall into this. It won't go through to your workshop. You won't be breathing in all that grinding dust. And also you can see through the top where you'll be grinding. Inserting your tungsten in through to the guide that you want. You'll see here the angle that you're putting it on the edge of the grinding disc. You'll grind the perfect tip every time. It features variable speed. Turn it on from 1 through to really fast. Also shows you your power that you've got left in your tungsten grinder, and USB-C, so you can charge it anywhere on the go. Hang it anywhere that you want. Showing you how to undo and replace all your consumables inside here. The whole head does unscrew. These little brass guides, you unscrew those. Once you unscrewed your final one, the plastic pops off. You can empty your grinding dust. It'll all be encapsulated in there, straight into the bin. Then push the lock button, that will lock the angle. Little crescent provided. Unscrew your grinding disc. Your grinding disc now can be removed, and you can replace all those parts. You'll be given 3 shafts and 5 of the discs inside the pack, and also the whole head can come off and give it a good clean. Your tungsten grinder can now be stored in your convenient storage bag, carry bag.